making Easter cakes. They are for the family when we might go over Granny's house, and we'll take some then. And I will be in charge of them. I'm making them today.
So,
will
I'll eat them all, will I?
No, we're going to put marshmallows, chocolate, and raisins. We're going to put marshmallows, chocolate, raisins, and we might put some chips on them. And we have honey, what's going to go on. And we're going to make some Rice Krispies, and there's something else we're using too. Well, I'll go and find them. Here's the stuff we'll be using too. It's got chocolate. It's got chocolate, raisins, marshmallows, and biscuits in it. But we're not going to put biscuits in ours. But so.
No, don't open that one now, Kate.
I'm not. And yeah, so that's it. Now I'm mushing the chocolate, and you just use your hands. And then you get a handful of it and go or you can rip it up like that. It's quite easy too. Okay, and this is what you do. So get it all. This one's hard. You've got to bang it really hard.
It's been in the cupboard for a year.
Yeah, so. Okay, I can do it now. To melt the chocolate, we've got to put it in that thing over there, in the frying pan, to make it hot. You've got to leave it for 1 minute. And it cooks, not even a minute, maybe like 30 seconds, and then it's done. So, and you've got to check it then if it's done, and then yeah, right. These are raisins. You've got to pour them in the bowl. We need 3 of them. You pour. Then after you've done this, we have to melt the chocolate first, and then we pour these in, and then we've got marshmallows, and we put them into the pirate bowl. And then we keep doing that, and then you've got to chop them up very gently, like this. And it's quite easy. You've got to be very careful too, because this is sharp. And soon we'll be putting in some honey. We'll be putting in some honey in a minute. I think Mummy needs to mix it. Does she?
No, you just do it.
Oh.
So what are you doing?
This time I'm mixing some chocolate. It's very important you don't touch the pan. It's very important because it's very hot. You can touch here because that controls it, and you have to touch the bowl when you're mixing. I can do it fast because I don't know. But if you're a beginner, you don't do it fast. But I'm not a beginner, I've done it lots of times, so. You might be, but I am not. It's quite easy too. Now I'm opening up my cereal. You've got to open this very gently. Now you've got something else to open. You can eat them with milk too, but we are using them for something else. They're very nice too. Thank you for watching me open this. That is a lot. Dad, isn't this a lot? Can I have another spoon too? Yes. fun. Now I am mixing all my to make it all mushed, and the chocolate needs to go all over it to make it all nice to eat. If you don't do it, it won't taste nice. Now I'm putting the honey in, the maple syrup. We will need 2 spoonfuls. One big spoonful of maple honey. Once we've done this, I will be able to lick the spoon. You've got to let it all come up. Still going. Okay, that's enough. I can lick the bowl. No, okay. It's too much. Now, I'm eating my maple syrup.
No, you can just mix it up then.
This is a lot now. By the way, Mummy, we've got to use this all up. Now, I am getting chocolates and putting it into the containers. We are using yellow ones because it's Easter, and yellow is literally their colour. I thought maybe it would be nice because it would look like a good colour for Easter. It's not really particularly my favourite colour, but I've got chocolate all on me now. Just gonna have to do this for a sec. You spying on me? Shouldn't be. We'll probably have one more. Little one. You've got to spread things out in this. There we are. That one's done, and we've done 2. Two needs to go over there. We've got a lot of this chocolate. Bam! You pour it in like this. You'll have like 2 spoonfuls, literally. Right, so this would be for Evan. We'll need way more than this one, please. That one, that's much rid of it. We'll probably need. We need some more in here, wouldn't we? We need some more. Let's have some red ones. It's going to be for you. What colour would you like it?
Red, please.
Red is my favourite colour. I'm going to have blue. Because blue is my favourite colour. Blue is the best colour. You can have this in a minute. I've got a big marshmallow. You've got 2 marshmallows in yours.
Cool.
Okay. Next, I'm going to do my one. Thanks for watching my cookery show. Come back again for my other cookery show. My next one is going to be making pizzas.